Wait a second. Here, I'll do this. Wonder what it is. What do you think it is? Alright, there you go. Now this is helping too. Want me to cut it some more?
Yeah.
Alright, watch out. He sent you some wires.
What's that for?
I don't know. But geez, there's a bunch of wires. What is that?
Video games and stuff?
What kind of video game is that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm gonna look for more stuff.
Okay.
I see something else. Oh, here's the video games.
You got video games.
Oh, just the game you like. Right here.
Sweet. Oh my gosh.
Did I get a shooting game? Looks like I got a shooting game.
You got Black Ops 2.
No. I got that game, so it's my game.
Dang, Uncle Ryan.
Oh, my boxing game you put off.
Sweet.
Hold on, I'm going like that. No. Don't. No.
Another game?
What?
Is there another game in there?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
And another controller.
Jeez, Uncle Ryan.
Put this up here. Oh, another shooting game too.
What's this?
Woo!
Oh, I think he broke it. Uh-oh.
Maybe I did.
It's an Xbox.
Come on. Dig, dig, dig.
I think that's it, buddy. What do you say?
Thank you.
Get out of there and say it. Tell him.
Thank you.
Thank you who?
I'm Ryan.